This video will go over how to schedule posts into the VIP page directly from Facebook. So the first thing you're going to do is go to facebook.com and enter the login information. Once that loads, you'll see a home screen just like this, and you're going to navigate down to our VIP group, which says PR by Alyssa Riley VIP. If for some reason you don't see it, you can always go up to groups and enter in that way. Once that loads, we're going to move over to where it says write something, and we're going to begin to format our post. For this instance, we're using our flash sale images and our fast finger images. It'll all be listed on your task for what image you want to put in, but you'll click on the little picture and it's going to bring up your images. Now the images should already be downloaded. If you need to re-download them to the computer or screenshot them just as you did to put into the Google form, you can re-download them again from Canva. So you'll go ahead in and attach your image, and then you'll move down to where it has the little calendar button, and you'll move over to select the date that's listed in your task description, and then you'll also enter in the time that's listed. Time is going to be set to my time here, so you can just go ahead and check and enter in whatever time I have listed there on the task. And then you'll push schedule. If there happened to be any type of verbiage that I attached that I wanted you to put in, you could type it in here or copy and paste it in here, attach your image, and then move on from that point. To go ahead and do your next image, you would just go in where it says write something and follow the same process all over again.